Hi everyone, welcome to the online mathematics class. In the last class, already we were completed the sum of the formulas. What is the formula you are going to use when you are going to ask the simple interest, and if they ask us to find the rate of interest and time and the principal. And also we have completed in the last class already completed the one problem regarding the simple interest. But in the today's class, let us continue some more problems regarding the simple interest. Now look at the second problem. In what time rupees 4,250 amounts to rupees 5,610 at rate of 8% annum, at the rate of 8% annum. Now what they were given problem, look at the clearly. In what time? They ask us to find the time. They ask us to find the time. And rupees 4,250 amounts, that means it is the principal. 4,250 is the principal. Amounts to rupees 5,610. Rupees 5,610. That means 5,610 is the amount. 5,610 is the amount at the rate of 8% per annum. That means rate of interest is equal to 8%. What they have given? Principal they have given, and the amount they have given, rate of interest they have given. They ask us to find the time. Now before you are going to find the time, let's first you have to find the simple interest. First you have to find the simple interest. What is the formula for the simple interest? If they are given the amount and the principal, simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. Simple interest is equal to amount minus principal. It is the formula of the simple interest when they have given the amount and principal. Now already we know the formula of time. What is the formula for the time? Simple interest into 100 divided by rate of interest into principal. This is the formula of the this is the formula of the time when they are given the simple interest, rate of interest and principal. Now let us begin with the solution. Now they have given principal. Principal is equal to 4,250 rupees. Again amount. What is the amount they have given? 5,610 rupees. 5,610 rupees. 5,610 rupees. Now we have to find the simple interest. SI. What is the simple interest formula when they have given the amount and principal? Amount minus principal. Amount minus principal. Now what is the amount they have given? Amount is equal to 5,610 minus what is they have given principal? What is the principal? 4,250 rupees. 4,250 rupees. Now if you subtract in the 5,610 and 4,250, 5,610 minus 4,250. Now here 0 and here 6, here 3, 1,360. You will get the answer is 1,360 rupees. It is the simple interest. It is the simple interest. What is the simple interest we got here? Simple interest is equal to 1,360 rupees is the simple interest. Now they ask us to find the time. Now time is equal to, what is the formula for the time? What is the formula for the time? When they have given the simple interest, and rate of interest and principal. Time is equal to simple interest into 100 minus divided by rate of interest into principal. Rate of interest into principal. This is the formula of the time when they have given the simple interest and rate of interest and principal. What is that? That is simple interest into 100 divided by rate of interest into principal. Now, what is the simple interest they have given here? What is the answer you got? Simple interest is equal to, time is equal to 1360 into 100 divided by rate of interest is equal to 8%. It is the 8%. 8 into, what is the P? 4250. 4250 is the principal. Now 0 cancels, 0 cancels, 8 1 ja 8 remains 5, 8 1 ja 8, sorry 8 1 sorry 2 4 ja 2 5 ja. Now 5 1 ja 5 5 8 ja 5 5 ja. Again here 2 2 ja 2 4 ja and 2 3 ja 12, 2 4 ja 2 4 ja and remains 0. Again 2 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 7 ja, you will get the again 81 ja 84 ja, then you will get the 4 years, then you will get the 4 years. Time is equal to 4 years. Time is equal to 4 years. If you make that subtraction or if you divide that numbers into 1360 100 divided by 8 into 4200, you will get the 4 years. This is the first problem. Now looking at the second problem, third problem. Now look at the third problem. Which is the rate of interest for rupees 2500 at simple interest to become rupees 3300 in 4 years. Now look at the given problem here. Which is the rate of interest for rupees 2500 at simple interest to become rupees 3300 rupees in 4 years. Now they have given the principal and the amount, they ask us to, and they also given the time, they ask us to find the rate of interest. Now solution. Now principal. What is the principal they have given here? 2500 rupees. 2500 rupees. What is the amount they have given? Amount is equal to 3300 rupees. And before we are going to find the rate of interest, first we have to find the simple interest. They are given the both principal and the amount. By using the amount minus principal, you have to find the simple interest. Now simple interest is equal to amount minus principal, amount minus principal. Now what is the amount they have given here? Amount is equal to 3300 minus principal is equal to 2500. Now if you make subtract in 3300 minus 2500, you will get the 800. You will get the 800 rupees. Simple interest is equal to 800 rupees. We got the simple interest here. What is the simple interest we got here? 800 rupees. We got the simple interest. Now we have to find the time. We have to find the rate of interest. Rate of interest. What is the formula? Simple interest into 100 divided by time into principal. Time into principal or principal into time. Now what is the simple interest we got here? 800 into 100 divided by, what is the time we got here? What is the time? 4 years into principal is equal to 2500. 2500. 20 cancels and 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja and 25 ja, 25 8 ja. 8% is the rate of interest. 8% is the rate of interest. Now the given problem is they ask us to find the rate of interest. Now they have given the principal and the amount. Now by using the simple interest formula, you are subtracting the amount minus principal, then you will get the answer. 3300 minus 2500 is equal to 800 rupees. Again, rate of interest is equal to simple interest divided by 100 by time into principal. If you are subtracting the answer, you will get the rate of interest is equal to 8%. Then you will get the rate of interest is equal to 8%. In the today's class, we are completed the mainly two problems regarding the one problem is to finding the time, second one is the to finding the rate of interest by using the formulas. In the next class, we shall continue the remaining problems. Thank you.